In countries like the United States and Australia, where summer heat waves can soar above 100 degrees Fahrenheit, 38 degrees Celsius, managing indoor comfort is a significant challenge. Many homes in these countries weren't built with such extreme temperatures in mind and suffer from poor insulation. As a result, maintaining a comfortable indoor climate year-round becomes difficult. How can we effectively address this issue and improve the energy efficiency of our homes? Historically, in ancient Persia, qanats, underground water channels, were used not only for irrigation, but also for cooling homes by circulating cool air from underground water sources. This ingenious method harnessed natural resources to maintain comfortable temperatures indoors. Today, we have a modern counterpart to this ancient technology, but there's a bigger opportunity. Traditional air conditioners, while effective, rely heavily on the power grid and contribute significantly to energy consumption and greenhouse gas emissions. The latest advancements in solar air conditioning technology now offer even more efficient and sustainable solutions, further reducing grid dependency and mitigating climate change impacts. Solar air conditioners use photovoltaic panels to convert sunlight into electricity, which powers the air conditioning unit. This setup allows homeowners to utilize a free and abundant energy source, significantly cutting down on electricity costs. One of the primary benefits of solar air conditioning is its ability to operate off-grid. This is particularly valuable in areas with unreliable power supplies or during peak usage times when electricity demand is high. Additionally, these systems reduce greenhouse gas emissions, contributing to a cleaner environment. Imagine living in a remote location where the power grid is unreliable or even non-existent. Solar air conditioners can be a lifeline in such areas. By harnessing solar power, these systems provide a reliable and sustainable cooling solution, ensuring comfort and safety during extreme heat conditions. Beyond personal benefits, solar air conditioners contribute to a broader positive environmental impact. By reducing reliance on fossil fuels and lowering greenhouse gas emissions, these systems help combat climate changes and promote a healthier planet. Recent advancements in photovoltaic panel efficiency and battery storage capabilities have made these systems more effective and affordable. This progress opens up new possibilities for wider adoption in both residential and commercial settings. Solar air conditioners are a game changer for cutting costs and boosting efficiency. By using the sun's energy, these units slash your electricity bills and make cooling your home much greener. Traditional air conditioners can gulp down 2,000 to 3,500 watts per hour, but solar models only use about 500 to 1,000 watts, thanks to advanced, energy-efficient technologies. Looking ahead, the combination of solar energy and ongoing innovations in air conditioning technology could revolutionize how we cool our homes. With increasing accessibility and affordability, solar air conditioners could become a viable option for many households. Imagine a future where every home in a hot climate is equipped with an efficient, off-grid cooling system. What do you think? Could solar air conditioners be the future of home cooling in hot climates? Share your thoughts in the comments, and be sure to follow up on our other video showing here, where we explore more exciting, self-sufficient technologies. Consider subscribing to our channel for more insights. Thank you.